All right, I've needed one of these about 5 billion times. So pretty simple little machine here. This is just something to keep your square corners square when we're doing some woodworking. Now we're gonna go out and try this out. This is kind of cool. It's got a little scale on the side, on all sides. This is a pretty nice looking set though. Is this like anodized aluminum, it looks like? Huh. Yeah, this looks pretty sweet overall. All right, so in a nutshell, this is how this works. So we get our miters together here. This goes on the inside. You can also do it on the outside, I found. So on the inside, it's got little measurements here. Take one of these guys, put it on here, and then just screw it tight. So not super complicated. So that's nice and tight there. Now we could add some more to the outside edge to give some stability, but that is a pretty good joint right there. So we can get in here and access it if we're putting a brad nail through, if we're just stapling on the top. For gluing, this is great for doing glue ups. It holds them firm. And we can add corners as we go if we want to. But I also found that you can use this on the outside edge if you need to. And if you do use it on the outside edge, see how there's this little cutout here? So if you are using it on the outside edge, your corners can kind of stick into there. Otherwise, you won't actually have a good 90 if you don't have that cutout there. So there, we can really mate those 90s together. They're really nice. And it just sticks up into that cutout there just a tiny bit. So not ideal, but if you need to, you could do that. So normally we want to have this on the inside. So that's great. That's a 3.5 inch wide. Works pretty nice. And these feet here are not marring up the wood. They get good pressure against it. Flat bottom means they sit flat, which is pretty nice. They kind of hold themselves up. So overall, this is just a really good set of tools for making boxes and stuff and frames, which is what I've been doing. So way easier than freehanding it or trying to use regular clamps. Big fan.